It's Fucker Tuesday. Up on live.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you ever so much for joining us this evening. This is what we do every Tuesday. We are the Open Live Show. I'm your girl, Little Brown Ash Dragon, All Star and the Wheels of Steel. Breads, DJ Rick, 5Q, Mad One. Big up yourself anywhere in the world, when a day. Shout out to our sponsor, The Granaries, located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. And as per usual, every week, we bring to you a special guest. And as you can see on your screen, Crossblood is here in studio. Big up yourself, my general. Thank you for joining us this
everybody.
evening.
Good night, everybody.
Good night. How have you been? It's been a while.
Been good, you know.
Yeah.
I've been nice still.
You've been nice on the lives and on in the studio, I should say.
I haven't been on the lives like that no more, so I've been busy.
You've been busy in the studio.
I've been really busy
I mean,
still.
we spoke to you a couple of years ago, and you weren't. Don't take this wrong way. You weren't doing much then.
No.
Musically.
No.
But you've been putting in the work over the past couple of years. So talk to us about what changed for you in the past couple of years within your music career.
Moving from South London. You see me? Moving out countryside.
Where's country?
Coventry.
Don't me under. Okay.
Feel like as an artist, I feel like South London, you don't really get a lot of support. You see me? And most of the people around you feel like them support you enough, but really and truly, some people don't really want you to make it like that. Them just say, yo, you know, you're tough and boom, boom, boom. But man, not even stream a song and man, not even share it. Man, not even know what the song sound like.
So you moved up to Coventry because of the lack of support for your music.
Man. Different energy, you know.
So you're getting the support that you were looking for in Coventry.
More than the support.
You have to talk in a phone for everybody.
More than the support.
So what? Tell me something about the dancehall scene. Is it live and kicking in Coventry? Because I haven't heard that much dancehall events keeping down that side.
No, yeah, I've only put dancehall thing keep down them side. But different. What me I say is while me moved down that side, I had more opportunities down that side than when I was in South London.
Oh, because I know like South London is fluctuated with like Jamaican and dancehall artists, and sometimes come like crab in a barrel syndrome. Everybody try climb out the barrel.
Yeah.
So maybe for you to migrate to a different environment, you could make that solo trot up that hill.
And so with the change that has forward, you say that you're getting more reception there. This is me. I don't know any other dancehall artist that might be in Coventry. Or any artist in general that is in Coventry. So talk to us about the dynamics of that dancehall space, because we know, as you rightly say, South is different, crab with a barrel mentality. Talk to us about the difference of being in Coventry.
When it comes to South London, when it comes to Coventry, it's like there are different people that is more intrigued and more interested in what you do, and them give you more support. So you get to meet different people that actually want to actually support what you're doing and get involved in a way I do.
And what are you going to do if hypothetically, if Coventry starts to get the South London syndrome?
The South London.
Are you gonna move again to another?
No, man. Coventry can't get them syndrome there.
Why?
Far from them syndrome there.
Why? But times and things change, you know. So we have to be very realistic. But you're very strong and adamant that it won't change.
It won't change. Definitely, it won't change.
All right. So like how we're on the topic of Coventry, can we see a Crossblood to be that pioneer for Coventry, for put Coventry on the map for dancehall?
Okay. Yeah, right now, we're in a place with me there right now, in the town with me there right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I run the place.
You're in a place?
Yeah, I mean, I run the place right now. In that environment with me there right now.
We can start with some little thing, and we hear about Coventry, we hear about Crossblood.
Yeah, definitely.
When you hear Crossblood, that's a Coventry. Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Yeah, other place, a Crossblood place.
And Birmingham and them places. Birmingham as well give me a lot of support as well, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of support.
You know, a killer for Danny Bless, brother.
Huh?
Well, you're around. Yeah, you're around stalwarts. You're around Killer Filler. If it is a case that is the Rummy section, and other stalwarts within dancehall. So if you are within that area, then you will get support. But I'm looking at things because within dancehall, stage and performance is quite important. And prior to, you weren't doing much stage and stage performance. Obviously, COVID was here, so you never really get the opportunity. But moving to Coventry, are you getting? Because I've looked at your Instagram page and I'm looking at it again. Specifically, did that because we speak about performance aspect of dancehall, being a dancehall artist, getting your presence out there to be seen as a dancehall artist. And I'm still not seeing that from your social media page. Is there a specific reason why we're not getting stage show performances from Crossblood?
You know, sometimes I do go stage shows and I don't even post it, bro. To be honest.
Why?
I don't know.
Are you anti-social?
Our sister show.
A little bit, isn't it? But obviously, I come out of the comfort zone.
Because like I realize it, I never really see you in the rave them or the stage show. Like
no.
Yeah,
you are a
that's
man
true.
like when Mr. Crossblood is normally on him phone. Now on studio there, me
Okay,
or him do him little thing.
Me used to go stage show. You see me?
As a
Even-
patron or as an artist?
No, as an artist and a patron, both.
Okay.
You see me? Even my bridge next to me, even brother keep showing up all the
Yeah.
time, man.
Oh, so you're saying bridging next year, so I think I know what this is.
You're such a
Stuff for that is like, you see me? But
Yeah.
him keep showing up all the time and stuff. Some
Yeah.
of them show them I do go to, but for a while I haven't been to some of his shows because, not saying his show particularly.
bad mind, a
but
joke.
Bad mind.
a lot of shows that you go to right now is mostly the energy that's in there is not a good energy. It's always people fighting or something kicking off or you know.
But
So
let me ask you this. Nowadays in dancehall, because we have this kind of hybrid dancehall now, which artists have to be street teaming and have to keep that internet present. And I know like you always have that internet present.
yeah.
Do you know you don't feel like the street team is lacking? Like people not seeing Crossblood at the party. Even if you're antisocial, we can say, yeah man, Crossblood there, I'm over there. So you know, even though we can't say selected I'm a big boy, they are part of the
Yeah.
people. Because I feel like say that's a very important factor in terms of dancehall and the
And
patrons.
your career
Because
as well.
no matter if you're antisocial, people want to say, yo, and come and see him thing now because I don't want to spend my money with Crossblood. I don't say, yo, when we spend the money at Western Crossblood, go on, you know. Regardless some funky house. you know Jamaican people stay. You know Western already.
Yeah, that's true. Personally, South London parties and stuff, bro, it's like them party that just mostly spending money, bro. I'm just being honest.
What about going north, south, or north, east, or west?
Not really.
Remember, we have three other side in London where his vibe is always different.
I don't really get that still, you see it. I just get the feeling when you go to South London parties, mostly the South London parties, it's all about this big table, full of ice, beer, liquor.
It's all about a show off thing.
Yeah, it's just a show off thing, bro, you see it. So,
Yeah.
I don't want to be in no space, bro. To be honest, since I moved from South London, bro, I'm in a different environment, I'm in a different energy. There's a lot going on for me, bro. You get me? A lot of people I work with right now. I don't really post up my stuff them like I just in our background and just I put in the work, bro. Since I've moved down there,
Yeah.
I've gotten a chance to work with a lot of people, bro. And there's lots of opportunities that I've missed as well because I wasn't focused on checking emails and doing certain things.
Yeah.
But again, I know we want to divert from the move from Coventry from South London
Before
to
we
Coventry.
divert from that,
No,
Rasta.
I'm not diverting just yet.
Before we divert from
I'm
that,
I'm
let
not
me just ask you
diverting just
something.
yet.
Do you get a lot of opportunity for working with like a lot of these, what you call it, prominent London artists or some of the one them where find them feet in dancehall in London? Oh, what's the reception between you and them? In terms of link up, or receptive is it?
Yo, be honest. Be honest, bro. I don't really link up with a lot of people.
Is there a particular reason why?
Yeah,
Come, I
be
feel
honest,
like you're
I'm gonna be
no.
honest.
Up on live show,
I
this is
I
the
feel
last
like
year
you're
too.
holding back, and
I
that's
feel
why
like-
we're asking the questions.
Yo, to be honest,
Talk your mind.
not all our artists them in South London. Is me. There are certain artists in South London when I rate and me do support them thing, but I feel like majority of the man them are sheep, bro. Frack tail, you see me? Be a run around and this a man a behind this a man and if this a man not support this a man not support you and it's all about a team thing. It's a group thing.
Groupies.
And yeah, the group it's a bag of groupie, bro. You see me? And I see me, tell you what I stay personally. Me is a youth like this. You will never ever see Crossblood get violent towards.
Yeah.
Another.
You understand
person.
me? I say?
Yeah.
Me is a person like this. If it have to get to that point, I'd rather just walk her from it or just
From the
take
situation.
what myself from the whole environment, the environment that we're in.
Okay.
You understand?
So you're saying you'd rather take yourself out of the situation than to beef or to fight with anybody.
Yeah, man, just leave them to it, man.
But there has been no previous beef, pork, poultry.
No, man, a whole heap of things there when you see, man. Obviously, a music, I remember saying music, a whole heap of things in the background when you see.
And are you sure it's not a result of those poultry, beef, pork?
Man.
Why the move
So
to
I'm
Coventry
sorry.
took place?
No, man.
We're trying to understand, you
So-
know, because,
so in
because it
terms of
was
work-
sudden. Because it was sudden. Because remember, you know, we did see you down here,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all of a sudden, come here, we are say, yo, dog, I want to see Crossblood again.
I wonder if them obey him.
No,
Me, I
man.
wonder, is he in pen?
No, man, you have to take
But
with
then
yourself
you're
sometime,
on
man.
live.
You have to take with yourself sometime, man. You see me? Like, to be honest, I get the chance to work with people like D Block. See me, I say, the Over Vibe Music.
Cool.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, me did have an opportunity to work with Young Thug and Gunna or whatever I'm on. You see me? And
Yeah.
there's a lot of things. You see me? No. You know, the thing, I do the thing there right now still, because we had the whole heap of work. Like me say, a whole heap of work I
Yeah.
put in.
So on the topic of 6, talk to us. Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
go
go
ahead,
on.
Brad.
You don't say, as them say the Instagram post them, you know, promote yourself properly, dog. You hold back your. This is the time for settings we need
Rebranding.
to be
Yeah.
said and we need people to know what you do. You're in front of a screen now, bro. Me not want for a setting for leader to say what you say.
I feel like I do promote myself in England, bro, but it's like when I feel like dancehall get the justice where it deserve in England, you see me? So like I said, you have to kind of study what go on and formulate a different plan and just
Family the plan like how?
formulate the plan as in different places, different countries.
Because I feel like it's enough on over here on a timid, like something be on your mind, but you come up a live show now, even though it's on your mind. Remember, you know, you have this interview for a reason. For
Yeah.
anything you want to say, you want your fans them, AC them, people we don't know. We say, yo, this is what I say about. I feel like enough fight time enough forward here, and most I want to forward for say, when you not say it.
Bro, I just feel like
Because we ask some question like, which artists in London where you feel like say, yo, we reach out to them and them never work with me. And them that's in another period of time there. I'm link you know, work with them. I say, yo, me not rate that boy, you know, come, me link you, you know, you never work with me, you never do anything
Like
right.
a Byron
Because
Messiah
I
to
an
a
idea.
TJ.
You see, I an idea. Remember, you know, everybody have feelings, you know.
yeah.
And we see everybody climb the ladder, and sometimes some people drop off the ladder and start back from zero, and sometimes someone fall along the ladder and climb up back. And just so you go. And everybody have them time. And it don't mean say,
Yeah.
because you're at a higher level and me on the ladder, and me and say, yo, we all are in the same business, we are all co-workers. You see me?
Yeah.
So, cause me know how the game go. But me can't cry justice for you, you know, because I don't know your trials and tribulations.
And I say, whole heap of artists, you know, it's like, but then I say there's a lot of artists who me there on in a studio with,
Yeah.
help a lot of artists. Me never call a name, but you see me? I listen to them every day. You see me? I say a lot of artists me help, bro. Like me in a studio, you know me. I'm always
Yeah.
I help a lot of artists in a studio, bro. And it's like if you want to directly ask an artist, say, yo, bro, me need your boom 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 for do this and boom boom do that. Me just say, yo, bro, here, me work on my EP, and but then just like a bit of support on the EP. Rather is posting or sharing something, or rather is putting a verse on it. Whatever you don't want, go the route there, you see me?
But it's the same thing.
All right.
It's just like you're asking for it in a different way.
Yeah, not
And
different.
as well as there's nothing wrong with asking.
No, there's nothing wrong with asking, you know. There's nothing wrong with asking, but some of them are them too full line of themselves.
Okay.
So really and truly, sometimes you think to yourself, say, yo, you're giving an artist the support what him need. Zine? And if him ask you to do certain things for them, then you will say, yeah. You use that person to help an artist. But when you go to an artist directly and say, yo, bro, here what? You have an EP I work on, you know, then like you feature upon a song.
Yeah.
Brother, welcome to the club, fam. I'll show you something. I know enough people not like Dragon, you know.
True.
Enough people not like me, you know.
But we still a strive.
Enough promoter where me, will I say me help get along in them career, you know. I chat shit, Bobby, you know. That show ya, but people that chat shit, I don't want people that chat shit, I want fat on the show, see me.
But
just
like,
life, dog.
it's like a thing, bro. Like, I'm sure this. Like, remember, people are eating naturally. Seeing? But despite the environment, they keep thriving.
No, obviously true.
Because remember, we not dog eat dog world now. You see, especially this dancehall situation in England. Remember, it's a dog eat dog world. So even though you have your co-workers, because no matter what, we all are co-workers, you know. We just work in different departments.
Mm-hmm.
But we work for the same business.
Same industry. Yeah.
So we just have to look on it like that and say, yo, we know this a man I work for IT, you know, but you don't know how so him stay, you know. This a man I not give a prize, you know. This a man, if him catch you at thief, little things off I work, he might tell boss, yeah, I get fire.
Yeah.
Some look on things, you know. So you just know, say, don't do the fuck around this a man.
Yeah, you pick and
You see me?
choose.
You pick and choose. You run it straight and run certain man. You know certain man if you ask for favors and certain man you know. Just like when they pan the government work, you say, yo, me and a man are good. I'm a general man, me can thief, make him say, nah, go sell me out. You don't know the thing go. But me just again a Jamaican terminology, so who no.
Yeah.
So in terms of that, cause we don't you have people in the business with bad mind, cause we can't get rid of bad mind. A man because you chop one girl on the work scene. Man start watch all the girl pum pum and start calling her name, you know. You know, Crossblood sing I want what? I want one that song and the man say, boy, Crossblood feel like him too hype, you know, dog. Kick him down a little bit, you know. Start bad mind Crossblood for nothing, you know.
Yeah.
You know the thing go, man, we start seeing a studio too much and we say, we don't like that. Yeah, study too much, you go like you're too bright.
And talking about seeing you in the studio too much, you've been putting in some work recently.
Yep.
You have a forwarding project, forwarding out. Me now want Shanty Force is not on the line, but if me say the word, he might why me.
Oh.
Right? And me not gonna say project. You're working on a specific project.
Yeah.
What's the title of that project? Can we say?
Yeah, you can. Of course.
You're going to tell your fans and your
Well,
and everybody that's
I'm working on my
line.
album right now still.
Yes.
So my first album right now.
And what's the name of it?
467.
Any specific reason why it's called 467?
You know, say it's a scripture said as me. I just dream about the number. I'ma look it up.
And the scripture says?
Just
You can't remember what the scripture says, sir.
just good things. I can't remember fully what it says, but I
Wait,
know it's something good.
What
It's a new
what
album.
book is it
You know the
from?
thing go.
Huh?
What book is it from?
It's not actually from the Bible still. It's mostly
Okay.
it's from the Quran still.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Oh, so and that's inspiration behind it.
Yeah.
And how many tracks are we going to be getting on that project?
4, 6, 7.
No man,
No.
you can't get 6, 7, 1. 6, 7, 2. A little bit, man. You see me?
6, 7.
That's the title of the
Yeah.
project.
Yeah,
I'm
the album is 467, but
Yeah.
tracks
How
on the
many
album,
tracks are we getting?
I don't want to put about 20 on it.
Excuse me?
20.
About 20 still, but
Carry that.
Decisive.
I want to drop every moment.
yo,
No, song,
right now, yo, I feel powerful than myself right now, bro. I feel like I can do anything. You see me? So,
and I love that. The fact that
Some-
you believe
something
in
for
it.
everybody.
Yeah.
yeah, I feel powerful than myself, believe in myself, bro. I tell you, bro, there's a lot of things happen for me, bro. Wait. And you know what? I feel like just coming from when I grew up over this side of the world, bro. There's a lot I learn. You see me?
And
Why the reason why I don't post certain even though people they have to post things and do there's a lot I learn, bro. So it's like me just kind of more humble myself more.
yeah, quickly
You see me?
remind people like upbringing.
Well, born a Maypen, you see me say I'm a Maypen, but I'm a Maypen
Go
guy.
on, man, please. I'm just saying. I'm sorry. Go
So
ahead.
you know, yeah, Maypen Clarendon, you see me I say from Maypen to Chapperton, you see me Stone Hill, Red Hills. I don't know why I play still, you see me, because I know my family big, you see me, so yeah, I mean
And
that,
then
you
you
know.
migrated to England at what age?
Yeah, I migrated to England probably about 10, 9.
Okay, so you are mostly
You're British.
British.
You're British.
You have a Jamaican
yeah,
heritage,
yeah,
but you're
yeah,
mostly
yeah,
British,
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
because obviously,
Yeah, school, college, everything, you know.
yeah.
People
So-
college too.
Yeah.
Me
You know, I
me
think
get where
that-
I fall from.
We had them grow together, so do a thing, Gary.
Me get where I fall from, but I always see you as a talented artist where I think there's a lot more you could do in terms of like PR,
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
because like
And marketing.
I feel like a lot of arts over here, them look on PR and them thing there, and the marketing side of thing, them look on it simple. Them look on it simple, but remember, I know every publicity is good enough. Because think about it. I've ever looked on it this way, I may use Queen as an example. Why Queen is the artist in the UK at the moment? I'm just asking because obviously
Because she herself.
Queen is herself, but she don't need a PR.
Yeah.
She's doing herself, but because she's that, she's marketing herself to a niche crowd, and dancehall is all about entertainment and excitement. So if you don't have that little flair in a dancehall, it's hard.
Yeah.
Unless you're really putting out some bangers and you have to have the PR back of you, you have some people back where you get it out to our record label and everybody, and people are street team and certain thing. Because remember, in Jamaica we have some famous mad people. See? As fucked up as it might be, we have some famous batty boy out there too. And no apology for that. Them are them, and we are we.
Yeah.
See? So we call them. I'm Jamaican. I'm speaking in my native dialect. So, get what I'm saying? So, in terms of what a lot of artists do, they will go to a studio, they will spend the money for mix, master, voice the song, and I buy the song in ear. But you say, boy, that song is so bad, boy, now reach nowhere. And you say, yo, you just stop at England and playing some dance couple of months, and you just stop and you know reach nowhere. You say like, nah man, that not right.
Feel like over here, so when I do over here, so still, I promote myself a lot still. But you know when you reach out to certain DJs and things, and you say to the DJ, say, here bro, you tell me some body, you tell me say song them tough and yo, song them for the pan radio and thing. And I say, yo bro, here, you don't have to play song them for free, no bro. Just make me know how much you charge to play the song them for the month, for 2 months, whatever the cost is, man, you pay it and they make the song them run on the radio station or whatever. DJ said to you, say, yeah man, boom, 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 man.
Nothing happens.
Nothing happens, you see me, and till you link up another DJ tell you the same thing. Cause you get to that point where me have to end up all, I no apology for this day, you see me?
Yeah.
You get to a point where me have to lick a DJ in the face.
Yeah.
You see me?
What is what? And I idea Crossblood, but you have looking at diaspora now. Most song, is it DJ Boss's song now?
No.
But you have to look what's running place, because watch here now. If you say like the monopoly move from DJ to something is because remember we have this big thing on social media, and we see recently TikTok take over, like making some song viral and the world know them. Yeah. And a man just pay one like a dance and say, put up one like a dance move to my song. I want to dance song you sing, And a man do one like a dance song and told like a girl come on the song, and And they go viral on TikTok, be a smart start do it, and you pay one like a money to them company, their Instagram and TikTok to promote it, because think about it. A DJ got a party tonight. Say for instance, as an example, you pay me £50 or £100, say, Dragon play that song for me. Play the song in the party. 200, 300 people. But if you pay £40 on TikTok or Instagram, you can reach thousands of people. You have to think about your reach and your value for your money. Because remember, you pay all £10, you get all 2,000. Assure, 2,000 somebody a seat,
Yeah.
Remember, I want to dance, when me and my alcohol, most of what I go to my brain, me numb. No, I'm true.
No, go your brain.
Most of what go to your brain when in a party, you're numb because you're on the alcohol. But anything you keep seeing on TikTok constantly,
it's gonna, and that's food for
like,
thought.
what is?
No, we do promotion on TikTok as well.
So,
we want
and
to
me I
see
tell
more
a lot of
promotion.
artists say, that's the way to go. Social media, that's a new promotion. Pay a little money, you look at £20, you look at £30, promote your song on social media, because remember, them social media have a right algorithm. We promote your song to your diaspora.
True.
People interested in your type of music. Whether a conscious music you sing or you sing dagger song, that's what I think there.
Yeah, true.
Cool. And that's food for thought, and that is one thing we wanted to make sure that you heard directly from us. Because we're not got nothing
No,
for
I know that. I'm asking you take on step on board.
Yeah, I want general them.
So
I'm gonna tell you the
so-
truth from morning, right?
I mean, I tell everybody that, you first me tell them.
True.
So the rest of us, I'm looking at TV style too. You don't know anything, I'm not a bad mind on
Cool,
now.
man. We have to.
And I seen from now till then. Musical, you have a musical beef.
Musical beef?
From now till then. So past and present.
No.
Talking 951, my general.
No, I have no musical beef. The one musical beef, me have you know about it.
But we don't know about it.
You see me? Bro, hear the thing. Let me show you a thing why I'm not really talk about certain things. I put myself on a level now where I know what it takes, and you have to believe in yourself as an artist, and certain things put in a rear view where you can see it, or put it in front of you to make it bother you.
Right.
So I reach on a level now where I feel like I need for that. Like when I say I need to do, I don't want to see me more and things like that. So I'm going to make sure the people them see me more.
Right.
But just to say to the people in the background where them not see Crossblood like that, is because Crossblood in the background did a lot of work and working with a lot of people.
Okay.
And certain projects and stuff where I work on, I can't post them up and I can't really, give that out to let the people them see what I go on. So that's the reason why I don't really post like that.
That's fine, and we do appreciate you putting that out there. 467 is forwarding, and we've gotten a chance to preview a couple of the tracks.
Yeah.
But we have quite a number of people on the live,
Yeah.
and there's a special thing that we do here on the Open Live show. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Crossblood. I'm going to hand over to Dragon All Star, who handles this part of the show. We don't have much time, but we're gonna do it quick and fast.